Chapter 64. Birth of the Cojoined. The soft hum of machinery resonated within the moon base's additive manufacturing facility. After weeks of meticulous testing and myriad experiments, Sarah's twin had proven to be a remarkable success, adapting and thriving in the harsh lunar environment, supported by the quantum-connected intelligence of the original Earth-bound Sarah. On Earth, Dr. Thompson, Sarah, and the rest of the team gathered, awaiting a communication from the lunar facility. Sarah, observing attentively, interjected,
"Have there been any discrepancies or data lag through the quantum communications array, Ramona?"
Dr. Diaz shook her head.
Remarkably, no, Sarah. Your distributed presence through the quantum AI array has been seamless. It's like having you here, in two places, yet operating as a singular entity. Your suggestions during the machinery malfunctions last Tuesday were invaluable.
In light of the recent solar activities, the pressing reality lingered heavily on their minds. The sun, though a life-giving force, also bore the potential of massive disruption through a large coronal mass ejection, CME, threatening to endanger both earthly technologies and human life in extraterrestrial settlements. Dr. Thompson, his voice steady yet tinged with urgency, started the discussion they all knew was coming.
The threats from potential solar activities are becoming too perilous to ignore. The success of Sarah's synthetic twin on the moon gives us a practical pathway to safeguard our operations and the crew there. We need to hasten the production of more NEOs.
Inside the base's high-tech monitoring room, Captain Laura Mitchell, chief of the Artemis mission, hovered over large screens displaying graphs, telemetry data, and satellite images. The room buzzed with activity, as engineers and scientists went about their tasks with grave urgency.
Sergey, how is our emergency sheltering procedure coming along?
Laura questioned her deputy.
We've triple-checked every process, Captain. The human crew can be inside the most protected sections of the moon base within 7 minutes of an alert,
Sergey reported.
That's comforting,
Laura said with a nod.
but we can't just hide. The base has to keep functioning.
That's when a communication window opened on one of the screens. Dr. Thompson's familiar face appeared.
Captain Mitchell, we've been observing Sarah's lunar counterpart closely, and I believe we found our solution.
Laura raised an eyebrow, intrigued.
Go on.
Dr. Thompson explained.
The Earthbound Sarah and her lunar twin have proven incredibly efficient at sustaining and running crucial moon base functions remotely, especially during the simulated solar flare events. We think it's time to produce more NEOs.
Sergey's eyes widened in surprise.
You're suggesting a team of synthetic beings operating the moon base?
That's exactly what I'm suggesting.
Dr. Thompson confirmed.
The NEOs can withstand the harsh environments of these solar events better than any human.